Pepe hit like a tsunami. Everybody knows about Pepe now. It is one of the most popular meme tokens out there. Is Pepe token, is Pepe fading away? We're going to talk about that in this video. If you're new to me, I cover Shiba Inu, all the major meme coins, community projects every single day on my channel. I've been doing this for 2+ years. Definitely consider subscribing. If you're watching this on Twitter, give me a follow. We're going to talk about Pepe and what's going on and is it fading away? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I'll show you, in fact, kind of this is the lead story. Is it fading? I don't know. Okay, so as I mentioned, is Pepe, is it fading? Is the interest dying? I want to show you something right here. So if you go to CoinMarketCap and you look at the meme category, this is top memes token by market capitalization. And of course, we got Doge and SHIB. But look, in the last 20, let me show you right here. In the last 24 hours, look at the volume. $179 million worth of volume, 24-hour volume. In fact, if I sort it, Pepe's number 2. In fact, Pepe has just recently been the number 1 volume, 24-hour volume meme token, period, beating Doge and SHIB. So is Pepe coin fading? No. What is going on with Pepe right now? Well, let's take a look at right this second. It's actually down about 7.58%. You can see we're in a pretty decent consolidation phase right here where my mouse is moving. We're in a consolidation period right this second with Pepe. I firmly believe that, again, Pepe it is absolutely a meme token initiative that's going to stand the test of time, if you will. By the way, this video was not sponsored by Pepe. This video was actually sponsored by Corium, the integration spot you just saw a minute ago. But Pepe is not sponsoring this video. I'm covering Pepe because there's a tremendous amount of interest in it, and people need to understand what it is and is, the hype and all that fading away. What you've got here is a scenario where all of crypto is a little flat right now. The entire crypto market is flat. There's a lot of unease, uncertainty in kind of what's going on in the macro, kind of the higher level. And I'm talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and Shiba Inu and all of those kind of scenarios. And so Pepe's kind of caught up in that right now. So it's kind of quieted down a little bit. And if you can kind of take a look at the chart right here, like I was just showing you, from our all-time high, we're down about 60% from our all-time high. Do I think that Pepe will reach that again? Absolutely, I do. Again, video is not investing advice; it's for entertainment value only. But you need to understand that, no, I don't think that the interest in Pepe is fading. In fact, I have some tools that I look at for the back end of my YouTube channel. And so to give you some insight, and there's more traffic, there's more interest in Pepe right now than there is, for example, in Shiba Inu. In fact, there's 3 times the amount of traffic volume, view volume right now for Pepe. That's how much interest. I'm giving those numbers to you to give you a guide, give you a little bit of extra input in the fact that, no, I don't think that Pepe coin is fading. I don't think that interest is fading in it. I think that interest in crypto right now is a little down. Also, there's that old saying, make money in May and then go away in the summer. And that's something I've been doing this now for 2+ years. Summers historically in crypto are slow seasons. And I'm really talking about June and July. And so I think we're starting to see that kind of slow down already. We're at May 22nd right here, right now. I think we're going to start to see that slow down for a little bit. But right here, this second for Pepe, it's not a bad acquisition point if you're looking at buying and holding long-term. Again, run it through your own due diligence. So that's what I got for you. As always, go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.